Welcome to This Explainer. Get ready because we're going to totally change how you view our place in the universe. Imagine shrinking Earth's entire 4.54 billion year history down into a single 24-hour day. Literally every volcano, dinosaur, and human that ever existed, all squeezed into just one day. The clock starts at midnight. Early Earth is basically a nightmare of molten rock and violent asteroid crashes. For nearly 4 brutal hours, our planet stays completely lifeless. Zero oceans and absolutely no oxygen. Then, right at 4 a.m., boom, fragile, single-celled organisms start drifting through Earth's newly formed ancient oceans. For the next 16 hours, trillions of tiny microbes quietly do their thing, pumping out life-giving oxygen. By the afternoon, those single cells finally evolve. Suddenly, the oceans are just packed with extraordinary, multicellular creatures. Crazy enough, though, the land itself stays utterly barren until way later, like 9:30 in the evening. At 9:30 p.m., life finally conquers the land. Plants, bugs, and eventually, the dinosaurs show up. For over 160 million years, which is a few hours on our clock, dinosaurs absolutely rule. But their massive reign abruptly ends at 11:39 p.m. This is literally the minute everything changes. A colossal asteroid smashes into Earth, totally collapsing food chains and wiping out the dinosaurs for good. Without that absolute catastrophe, mammals, and eventually, us, might never have inherited the planet at all. So, that brings us to the most crucial question of this whole explainer. When do we arrive? We show up exactly 6 seconds before midnight. Yup, just 6 seconds left in the day. It's mind-blowing, but everything our species has ever achieved fits right into those final, fleeting seconds. And it actually gets crazier. The final tenths of a second contains pretty much everything we know. All recorded history happens right here. Massive ancient empires rise and fall in a literal cosmic blink. Every single war, invention, the moon landing, and even AI, all squeezed into a tiny fraction of a second. Every city, nation, and human achievement occupies only the absolute tiniest fraction of Earth's massive history. So with only 6 seconds behind us, what are we going to do with the next second?